and I think I got one.
Many of my friends have asked me for a room tour, so this is the official off-campus housing tour. So let's get started. I'm outside my apartment and I'm going inside now. So when we enter the apartment, on the right hand side we have kitchen, and this is a closet where we keep our shoes, and this is a cart which we carry to Walmart and Publix to bring grocery. Yep, shoes on the top as well. So now on the left hand side we have the place where we do our laundry, and in this area this is the washer and that's the dryer, and apparently we can keep the detergent on the top. Yep, we have this section over here. So yep, this is really cool. And in the on-campus housing, I was supposed to go downstairs and then do the laundry, and they had about 12 washers and dryers. It used to take a long time to go down and come up, but anyway, this is much better. Now this is the kitchen, this is the trash can we have, and this is very similar to what we had in India, and we use a water filter. Now coming to the cupboard, we have, so I'm only going to show the cupboard that I use because others belong to my roommate, and I have these Oreo cereals here, paper towels or paper napkins, my office tiffin. This is cereal bowl, and this is where I eat my chicken and rice, and some masalas and stuff, some almonds on the back. And yep, this is the notice for the roommate that we had a sublease apparently and he ran away, so but he was the worst roommate ever, so that's why we wrote this for him. And now this is some of the stuff we have kept, and this is microwave oven, 2 more cupboards on the top, and this is mine, and I have kept some peanut butter, bread and oil over here, and this is the common area that belongs both to us, another cupboard, and bananas on the top of the fridge. Some bananas, these are mine. That brown bread that is 100% wheat is mine. I mean, this bread is much better than what we used to get in India because this has nothing, I mean, it has no harmful chemicals, it is all natural bread. And this is the chicken I just made. And now the fridge. So we have yogurt, this is salad that I always eat, milk, my roommate's milk, bagels that belongs to my roommate, that's his bread, and some sausages, I mean sauce, and a pasta sauce. This is soda, some soft drinks, and yep, some onions and butter. This is my strawberries. Yep. So now let's see the freezer. I mean, and we have this schedule, so whoever throws the trash can and cleans the kitchen. So A for my roommate and H for me. I'm her Noor. Yeah. So we have this freezer, and this is my ice cream and some of the stuffs. These are some frozen paranthas and that we bought from the Indian store, and this is the chicken I have. So now let's start with the room we have. Now that was pretty much the kitchen. Now we also have a closet, so we have these cereal bowls and some cleaning stuff on the bottom. Yep. These are some cereals I eat. I mean, these are full of protein. And actually, before going inside that room, I want to show you my room. That's my roommate's room. That was a sublease who has ran away without paying the rent. So I will talk about that later. First of all, I can show you the room I have. So I live in the living area. So I mean, it is quite cheap for me. I pay around $400 for it, so I don't mind. And I mean, I'm sorry, it is a little bit messy. I will clean it soon. And this is the bag I have, and those are some of the drawers where I keep my documents and stuff, and that's my bed. If you notice, there is an acupressure plate right next to my bed, so it is because whenever I wake up I stand on it and it energizes me instantly and I feel very better, and it is actually like a caffeine for me, natural caffeine. And my video is getting rendered on Filmora there, and I use this monitor because it makes it easier to edit my videos. And yep, this is my office area pretty much, and I do my homeworks here as well. I don't have to go to my I don't have to go to library or downstairs. There's a gym downstairs as well, by the way. And before that, let's enter inside the balcony. So this is balcony right to the left of my living area, or you can see it from here. So let's go inside. So this is very cool balcony. As you can see, the sun is here. I always bask in the sun over here because because basking in the sun expands my body. I feel very light after basking in the sun, and I bring my chairs and table right here. I feel very relaxed over here. Yep, this is the best place according to me. For me, I can study over here and do a lot of stuff. So there's a window, and now let's get inside the room. So this is the master bedroom, and it is huge, I will say. If you see from the corner, it looks huge. And on the right hand side, this is the stuff my roommate who ran away has left, and this looks actually huge. And this is a hookah bar that belongs to my roommate as well, and there's a huge cupboard. I will say 2 people can share this room as well easily, because that's very huge cupboard. So from a distance it looks like this. Now there's a bathroom. So this is attached bathroom, and this is 2-bedroom 2-bathroom apartment, and there is another bedroom and bathroom on this other side. And these are the curtains that you're supposed to buy on your own, and that's stuff that belongs to him. And this is the bathroom, and we have 2 mirrors, and the left mirror has hidden cupboard behind it, so where we can keep our toothbrush and paste. And this is the sink and some drawers, and another section at the bottom. Yep, it is cool. I mean, but I'm very happy and satisfied because I just paid $400 with utilities. And yep, so from the bathroom, the room looks like this. Once again, it is huge, and even 2 half-size beds can fit in it. You can call it twin-sized beds. They can easily fit inside this room, one on this side and one on this side. Yep. So that's pretty much it, and it's a really good place for $400. And there's also a gym. That's the best place. I mean, it has a table where we can study. You can call it study room cum gym, and I go there every day. I relax, I work out, and that's the best place ever. Yep. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.